Hi everyone, this is Katie from SE Media Group's Pre-Filled Syringes West Coast conference taking place on the 12th to the 13th of June in San Diego. And today I'm delighted to be joined by one of our co-chairs for the conference, Natalie Abts, who will be talking about their views on the evolving injectable drug devices landscape. Natalie is the head of human factors engineering at Genentech and is going to be presenting at this year's conference on the topic of adaptable human factors studies. Welcome, Natalie. So
Thanks, Katie.
we've seen the prefilled syringes and medical devices landscape evolve with many significant advancements in recent years. So, what would you say the biggest developments to note are from the past year?
Sure. So, I guess I would be remiss if I didn't mention the big buzzword of right now, which is AI, right? Like that's what everyone's talking about. And I'm sure there's going to be big impacts on our industry as well as others. That's not my area of expertise. So, I'm not going to pretend like I can talk about that very intelligently. But I guess another buzzword that comes to my mind that has got a lot of attention lately is patient centricity. And the reason I say it is a buzzword is because, it only has as much meaning as manufacturers choose to give it, right? Everyone can say that they're patient centric, but what does that really mean, right? And I think when it comes to thinking about AI, digital health, other sorts of technologies that are going to be incorporated into product design, patient centricity really means to me thinking about what really is going to bring value, what is going to meet a patient or user need or desire, and not just be, kind of something fun and the newest thing to add on to your product, right? And I think really what it comes down to is trade-offs, right? Whether it's with digital technology or something else. If companies are going to be patient-centric, there might be trade-offs with, some sort of a business trade-off or a cost perspective. But if there is some sort of redesign that can be done that would substantially benefit patients, that's really what's going to be the challenge, I think, for manufacturers, right? And another big topic of right now is sustainability. And to me, that seems to have a lot of trade-offs as well, right? So more sustainable products might have trade-offs with cost or even patient safety. So I'm interested to see how companies are going to choose to make those trade-offs and where that's going to take us.
Yeah, and I guess you've already sort of mentioned it, but what do you see as the greatest challenge facing the industry at the moment?
Yeah, I think something that has been, definitely been on my mind a lot lately, and really links to that theme of trade-offs, is really how the industry can continue to innovate while also wanting to standardize. So standardization can help us get products to market faster, but when you can build a better product, you can take something that's off the shelf and use it and potentially leverage a lot of data there. But if there's the potential to innovate something that could really, again, benefit patients, there are trade-offs there, right? So something that comes up for me and my team a lot is not just the device design, but thinking about the labeling and instructional materials that are provided to users. And, by making changes to what's already on the market, you set the regulatory bar higher. So again, trade-offs there. And I really think that what we need to be doing is thinking about how we can continue to push innovation while also wanting to get medications to patients as quickly as possible, obviously. So I think there are different things that need to be thought about there that are going to come into play for a lot of industry.
I guess on a final note, why do you feel it's important for the industry to join this year's conference?
Well, I've been attending this conference for the past few years. I've co-chaired a few times, and what I really like about it is it really covers a wide variety of topics that are really relevant to the moment. And it's starting to feel like a little bit of a family. We see a lot of people come to the West Coast Conference and present every year. It's really great to hear about the updates with what they're working on, but also always bringing in new people to bring different ideas to the table. So I think it's a really nice balance of looking across industry, hearing the updates from the people who have attended before, and also hearing new things. So I think it's a really great conference for people to attend.
Well, thanks, Natalie. And we can't wait to hear more from you and all of our other speakers as well at this year's Pre-Filled Syringes conference in June in San Diego. And to see the full agenda and book your place, head to the SE Media Group website, and we hope to see you there. Thank you, Natalie.
Thanks.